BJP spokesperson Meenakshi Lekhi has said creating an atmosphere of intolerance when none exists seems to be the larger conspiracy to divide people, polarize people, and take the people away from the development agenda of this country.
Creating an atmosphere of intolerance when none exists seems to be a larger conspiracy to divide people, polarize people, and take the people away from the developmental agenda of this country. These are the people who have been discredited by the people of this country on nationalistic grounds, the way they have conducted their past business of governance, and today they seek some sort of importance by visiting a foreign soil and condemning their own Prime Minister, which is against the nationalistic fervor of this country. And people no longer wish to be associated with such people, and that is very, very apparent. They have no shame in being second fiddle because they are obsessed by the Prime Minister. They go on condemning him without even reason, and even when the world is fighting terrorism, they have no shame in standing by the wrong forces. Certain documents have been brought forward by Mr. Subramaniam Swamy. We've had a look at that. And the kind of explanation which was expected from the Congress party is not coming, especially the person in whose name these documents have been drawn, that is the Vice President of the Congress party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And any elected person or a leader in this country needs to explain these documents. Especially, this is not a cause between a BJP or a Congress party, but it pertains to the Indian nationality, thus India as a nation. And under these circumstances, we seek an explanation from Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as these are legal documents, so quite clearly legal documents have legal repercussions as well.
Powered by NNIS.